SureStay Plus Hotel by Best Western Atlanta Airport South. The perfect selection of budget hotels in College Park for your business or pleasure travel needs. Carefully renovated and improved in every way. We offer many of the features of a mid-scale hotel at prices sure to satisfy. Plus, we make a great airport hotel since we're just minutes from Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Staying with us provides a quiet, restful experience you can't always get from budget properties. Our simple accommodations choice offers a 100% smoke-free experience. Exterior corridors, an elevator, and more. Amenities include a free breakfast, free Wi-Fi in the lobby, free parking, a 24-hour fitness center, 24-hour front desk service, and more. You'll be close to College Park Golf Course, Porsche Experience Center, Zoo Atlanta, Georgia Aquarium, Wolf Creek Amphitheater, Southern Ground Amphitheater, and other Atlanta area attractions. Plus, we're just 7 miles from Tyler Perry Studios and about 2 miles from Georgia International Convention Center. SureStay Plus AtlantaAirport.com